Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Don't forget, we're gonna unbox this mystery item. If you didn't watch video number 1, go to the end, watch video number 1. I have a chance for you to win a free consultation if you guessed on that video. You were the first guesser to guess on that video what's in this box. So check that video out if you haven't watched it yet, but this is part 2 and I'm gonna actually tell you exactly what I think I'm gonna make from unboxing this pallet. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so we just unboxed this. Don't forget, we're gonna see what's in this box later. All right, I promise I'll do it on this video. So this is all the stuff that's going to potentially go to Amazon or be on hookedonpickin.com. So anything that I put on hookedonpickin.com is fully tested, and I put all the condition notes on it. And so if I don't get to send it to Amazon, it's going to hookedonpickin.com. But I wanted to come over here and tell you immediately when I got this pallet, I knew this is where my money is going to come from. So men's shoes sell amazingly fast on Poshmark. And so this is my pile. I think I've only got about 5 or 6 women's pairs of shoes. The rest are men's shoes, and the rest are men's shoes that are really, really cool looking. You know, I've got some purple, I've got some wood looking loafers. I've got some purple shoes. I've got some shoes that look like gunmetal, which is really awesome. Some dragon shoes. So check that out in my first video if you haven't seen it. But just in these shoes alone, I feel like I'm going to make around $400 of profit on Posh. There's going to be some that will sell for $3 of profit, and then there will be some that will sell for $40 of profit. And so I definitely think I can get the majority of my stuff made up there. If you don't know, let me tell you, this was a Bulq.com pallet of men's shoes, women's shoes, apparel. I paid $313, $200 of shipping, $15.39 in tax for a total of $528.39. Had 63 total items for an average of $8.39 per item. And so just in the shoes alone, I've made almost all my money back. But we're not in the game of making our money back. We want to make a profit. Here, I know there's a few of these bags that will go to Amazon, and I think the rest of my $100 is going to come off here. This will also be a lot of Poshmark stuff. Look at this bag of socks. These are amazing. So there's some really fun, funky ones. Like I said, if you don't find it in my Poshmark store, which is in the link below under Paul Hooks, then check my hookedonpickin.com store. The rest of this stuff is going to go to Amazon or Hooked on Pickin, where I'll make the rest of my money up. I think I'm going to make a total of about $1,100 profit on this pallet alone, which when I take my $528 off, I'm looking at around $600 of profit. So I'm doubling my money. These alone, when I looked them up on Amazon, are selling for $140. And so I've got a lot of really good things in here. I've got an ice maker. I've got this. There's a couple of pet beds. I've got this is a camera, a really nice kind of webcam style of camera. And so I've got some really expensive stuff in here that I definitely know that I'm going to make a lot of money on. So $1,100 is where I think I'm going to make my money. Let me grab my box cutter because I did tell you that I would open up that last box and it would be the mystery box that I have to find. Also, these are amazing. Outdoor rock speakers, those are good money, as well as a lot of kitchen mats that are really clever and some golf balls even. So what's in this box? You guys ready? All right. It says on it, Pet Maker. It does have a barcode. Looks like it's been retaped at the top, which is why I'm opening it. If it hadn't been retaped at the top, then I wouldn't want to open it because then I couldn't sell it brand new from Amazon. But since it's been opened, I'll go ahead and just kind of see the mystery. I see here's some metal, so I'm wondering if it's something you would have to build. It looks like it's in great packaging. Some sort of a tent, maybe? We make your pet happy, Pet Maker. It looks like a tent or some sort of a shelter for a pet. I'm just going to pull everything out of this because I'm curious what it is. It's a pet bed. Is it like an elevated pet bed so they're not laying on the floor, almost like a hammock style? It is.
Yep.
Oh, but look at it.
Oh.
That's so lame. It's a good thing I opened it then. Oh, that's lame.
What a shame.
Yeah. It's a ripped up pet bed. So if you guessed a ripped up pet bed on my first video, if you get anything close to a pet bed or a pet hammock or pet anything like that, I mean, I said pet, but if you get close to it, you get a free 30-minute consultation with me. We can talk about reselling or we just talk about life. So I will let you know in the comment section below. I'll try to make an announcement on my live stream, my next live stream, just so that you know, and then I'll give you contact information. If you find out you're the winner, contact me at hookedonpickin.com. Shoot me an email under the contact me section or hookedonpickin@gmail.com. That'd be great. So I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much also for all of you who did guess. I'm really sad that it's totally ripped up. Makes me very sad inside. But that happens. It's uninspected returns. Sometimes you never know what you're going to get. So I'm going to earn about $1,100, $600 of total profit after I pay myself back, and them shoes are going to sell like hotcakes. So if you're looking for men's dress shoes, check out my Poshmark store. If you're looking for any of this other stuff, hookedonpickin.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.